Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about everyday objects your baby shouldn't be playing with. Wondering if ordinary items like keys, cell phones, and markers are safe for your baby to play with? Watch till the end to understand the lowdown. We've all been there. You're out running errands with your baby, and to keep him from going nuts in the grocery store, you give him your keys or cell phone. But is it really safe to give your baby certain everyday objects? Here are what the experts have to say on what baby shouldn't be playing with. Keys. Babies love the shininess and sounds of metal keys. But are they really okay for baby to fiddle with? Experts says nope. Keys are made of brass, which may contain small amounts of lead. Additionally, keys can cause injury to the mouth if the child falls while he's sucking on them. Instead, stick to the plastic ones. They might not be as shiny, but at least baby can put them in his mouth without harming himself. Or if baby likes the cold feel of the metal in his mouth, try out these Kleinamals. They're non-toxic, eco-friendly and baby-safe. TV remotes. Baby might be intrigued by the remote control, especially because she sees how much the grown-ups grab for it. But you'll want to keep it away from her. Remote controls aren't safe to play with. They contain batteries, which can be dangerous if ingested. Also, remote controls may have other small parts, which could break off and become a choking hazard. Once baby is older than 18 months, it's okay for her to play with a remote control toy, iPads and other tablets. Giving baby an iPad to play with might seem totally natural, especially with so many kid-friendly apps out there. But the American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, recommends that, aside from video chatting, babies under 18 months shouldn't be exposed to screens, including tablets, smartphones and TVs. Even for babies 18 months and older, the OP advises parents to limit babies' screen time to educational content. That's because research has found that kids under 2 still learn best from unstructured, unplugged playtime, and a media overload can interfere with face-to-face interactions, physical activity and sleep. Even though manufacturers come out with great, colorful apps for kids, they're not designed for a baby or a small child to play with on his own. They're designed for parents and babies to play with together. Additionally, electronic tablets have glass screens and batteries with electrical charges. It wouldn't take a lot for a baby to bite it or drop it, and batteries or liquids inside of the tablet can come out. Those aren't safe for eating. Cell phones. Have you seen those news reports that say cell phones have traces of poop on them? Gross. Knowing that cell phones are riddled with germs is probably reason enough not to let baby touch your phone or put it in her mouth. These phones that might be covered with germs could cause serious illness. Also, like remotes and iPads, cell phones contain batteries and other small parts, which aren't safe for baby if she puts them in her mouth. Instead, get baby a toy cell phone. There are plenty that are much more kid-friendly and a lot more fun than a grown-up phone. Coins. Baby might come across your jar of loose change and want to rattle it or play with the shiny things inside, but don't let him. Coins are a choking hazard and can cause tracheal, esophageal or intestinal obstruction, so not worth the risk. Make sure there aren't any coins lying around the house or car where baby might reach them. Pens, markers, and crayons. Maybe you and baby are doing a crafts project or you're showing baby how to draw. Most markers and pens are non-toxic but can cause injury if the child pokes themselves with it. If baby puts the pen cap or crayon in her mouth, she could choke. Also, for the sake of your home decor, keep baby away from them. Marker, crayon and pen marks all over your walls and floor won't be a pretty sight. You should hold off on letting baby use crayons and markers until she's a toddler, and even then they call for supervision. When it's time for your tot to use markers and crayons, look for non-toxic and washable ones. Baby wipes. While he's on the changing table, baby may grabs at the wipes and even stuff them in his mouth. Sound familiar? While it's tempting to just let him, especially if that's the only way he'll quit wiggling, experts say don't. It's not wise to allow baby to suck on wipes, because he could ingest the chemicals in them. Also, if baby chews or tears pieces of the wipes off, it could result in a choking hazard. To distract baby while he's getting his diaper changed, keep a teething ring or other age-appropriate toys nearby. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.